Hey guys, it's Jamie here. We're part 6 of the camper rebuild now. Things are coming along. Yesterday was a little slow. It's a lot trickier just trying to strategically take this thing apart and put it back together without screwing up any of the measurements and stuff. I'll give you a kind of look at what we've done. So as you can see, there's new structure points. I've taken the front cab over part right off. It's right here. It's like the whole thing needs to be rebuilt. Like you can see there, it's done. So I kind of cut it off at the top. I cut the supports off, measured it all up, and this is essentially where it's going to go. So like, as you can see, it's cut there. It's getting pretty rigid. Yesterday it was flopping around. I've got these two cross braces here because it was actually like, it was like leaning over on both sides. It was crazy. And then, we've re-supported all this. I've put in new framework. I've kept some of it. It's not rotted. I am a little concerned about weight. I don't want to make this thing, like if you were to strip this thing down and just redo all new 2x4s and stuff, this thing would weigh a ton. But like it's definitely solid. The floors look good, and like, I don't know if I showed before, but these were sagging and they're like almost a 90-degree angle now on both sides, so I got those pretty good. I have screwed and glued and stapled. I have a pneumatic stapler with a 1" by 3/4 inch staples. I'm a tiler by trade, so yeah, it came in handy. Like you can see here, those are not 90s. They're sagging pretty good. So when I rebuild the back end, I'll be able to get that back up. So I went over last night, and anything with yellow paint has to be replaced. So as you can see, there's quite a few pieces here that have to be replaced. I don't know why I didn't paint this one. This one has to be replaced. It's got 800 bullet holes in it. Like, yeah, there's quite a few that have to be replaced. Now, a lot of this, it's not actual rot, it's just staining from the insulation. So what I am going to do is, when this is all done being built, the sticks, I'm going to go over the entire thing with, I think, Kills primer, just to give it that extra protection. And now, as far as the roof goes, I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to have to cut all new pieces. Some of them, I don't even know if you can see that one especially. They're not even cut square. Like, it's got a groove in it. Some of them are sagging the other way, so when I cut them, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip them down, but I'm going to rip them with a slight bow in them, so it'll bow left to right, and then the roof will also slope front to back, just for that added protection. I'm only going to be using this a handful of times a year, and I know I'm going overboard, but I don't want to do this again, like ever. Like ever. Like, I mean ever. If this shit leaks or doesn't work, shit's going in the garbage. So yeah. So today's venture is, I don't know. I don't know what today's venture is. Today's venture is to do something. I don't know what. I might just drink. So yeah. So if I post something tomorrow, not much has changed. We know what we did. So yeah. All right. So like I said before, subscribe to the channel, hit like on the bottom, and we'll see you tomorrow.